What do you drive, cunt? A Magna? How about you? Who, me? Yeah, you, mate. It's gonna burn me Hilux.
Just for the weekend.
Oh, come on, boys. Get your fingers out of the Vegemite. This thing can be an absolute weapon. Now look at this. This shit could be systematic. Hydromatic. Ultramatic. What could be SKITS lightning? We'll get some overhead extractors and chuck a Garrett's turbo in there. Keep talking, can't keep talking. Super cheap intake that sucks in a load of cold air. Get the Sano, I'll winch to get the Sano. With a 6 feet on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know we don't talk shit when we're getting heaps of tit for SKITS lightning. Go SKITS lightning, you're doing manies all day long.
SKITS lightning, go SKITS lightning.
Go SKITS lightning, you're smoking up like a bong.
SKITS lightning, go SKITS lightning.
You cheeky keen, the she'll scream for SKITS lightning. I said a King Springs and 20-inch Simmons, oh yeah. With laminate dash and Macca's drink holders, oh yeah. With new shops, toys and paint, a fourth to rush rain. You know I'm not bullshitting with the Sheilas I'll be hitting for SKITS lightning. Go SKITS lightning, you're doing doughies in the park.
SKITS lightning, go SKITS lightning.
Go SKITS lightning, you're sucking back on a dart.
SKITS lightning, go SKITS lightning.
You are supreme, the she'll scream for SKITS lightning. Go SKITS lightning, you're fucking on its Commodore.
SKITS lightning, go SKITS lightning.
Go SKITS lightning, you're flinging rubber on the floor.
SKITS lightning, go SKITS lightning.
You cheeky keen, the she'll scream. Come on, you bludgers, let's get to work.